It was just an ordinary day.
I'm about to hit the road towards Ankara with some friends.
Three innocent adventurers set sail for a dangerous journey.
This is promising to be one of our most interesting drives because there was a small crash yesterday with 24 cars involved. I'm normally a careful driver, so it should be okay.
But little did they know that their trip through winter wonderland
It looks pretty good. It's all white, almost like driving through winter wonderland.
was leading to a winter nightmare.
Hello and welcome back once again to a vlog style video. Enough with the talking head stuff. I really crave this one-on-one interaction thing. I'm about to hit the road towards Ankara with some friends. This is promising to be one of our most interesting drives because there was a small crash yesterday with 24 cars involved. Hopefully we will have no troubles. I'm normally a careful driver, so it should be okay. But wish us luck. So we've been on the road for about 2.5 hours. So far so good. Roads seem to be open. There's no particular risk, but we're afraid of one specific stretch of the road, which is in an hour. One funny thing is that although we keep moving forward, our estimated time of arrival is stuck to 4 hours. Fingers crossed. Anything to add? Okay, here's the situation. Between Istanbul and Ankara, there is a mountain called Bolu, and this is the most difficult passage on this road. So far, we had no issues. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's all white, almost like driving through winter wonderland. But we'll see how we'll fare in Bolu because that's, you know, the part that gets the most snow. Okay, we loaded up on snacks, but minor updates. I just received a phone call from a friend who told me that the tunnel in Bolu was closed. We're just interrupted by a random dude pouring water on our windows. Anyways, we can't go back now, so we move forward. Status updates. We're still not in Bolu, but we just talked with some cops. And apparently the tunnel in Bolu that's supposed to be a shortcut is closed, so we'll have to climb the mountain. So our journey towards Winterfell continues. One of the lanes is effectively closed, so you know we will slow down. We just keep moving forward 1 kilometer at a time, and hopefully we'll be in Ankara today. How worried are you on a scale from 0 to 10?
5.
I'm at 2.5, 3.
Oh, impressive.
The drivers need to compose himself. Also, our estimated time of arrival is still 4 hours.
Never changed.
It has been so for the past 2 hours. So we don't know when we'll be there, but we'll get there. How worried are you on a scale from 0 to 10? About 30 seconds after that update, we effectively stopped. It's jammed. I don't know how long we'll have to wait here. This is slowly turning into a survival horror story kind of thing.
All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody.
I had never walked on a highway before. There I was thinking that my drive today would be too banal to make a video out of. Turns out no. The road is also covered in ice. We can almost skate in here. Just look at how unfazed she is. She's just back there. What are you doing? Are you working? What are you doing? Yeah, she's working back there, unfazed, singing, but she she keeps our morals up. I think we've been stuck for about an hour now. Still waiting.
Kind of losing hope.
Not really losing hope, but the snow isn't slowing down. And this is pretty much how long we've been waiting for. There's nothing on the opposite road either. So I figured the road is closed that way too. I have no idea what we're waiting for or why the road is closed. So we keep on waiting. Thankfully we still have gas. And we're here at Istanbul Airport. You heard it right, Istanbul Airport. We made a U-turn right before Bolu because the roads were closed and there was a lot of lorries kind of gliding on the road. Hence we made the decision of coming back and taking the airplane. Did we make it? No, we didn't, but we will. And we're at the airport now. We managed to make a U-turn, as I said. Make all the necessary arrangements with some skilled phone calls. Managed to return the car, rent one out in Ankara again, and book some tickets. It is now 12:30 a.m. and it has now been almost 12 hours that we've been on the road. Was it one of my most eventful trips? Absolutely. Are we in a bad mood? Not at all. We still have 1.5 hours to go to board the airplane. And let me read some stuff. I'll see you in Ankara. Just landed and it's 3:10. Take our baggages. Poetic persistence. That about summarizes our day today. And I'm finally here. I'm in Ankara. It's been one hell of a journey. More than 15 hours. We persevered. We're here. I'm gonna end this vlog right. I can barely speak. I'm gonna end this vlog right here because I'm exhausted. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.